What's up, guys? We're back at Gas Shop tonight. Me, Mark, and Rod. Maybe somebody might show up. I don't know. We're here. And what do we have tonight, bud?
The other night we found out that the hood hinges were kind of not usable anymore, so we had some new ones ordered in. So tonight we're going to pop these on and get them all fitted up. What else we had?
Front bumper. Front bumper. Yeah, we pulled the front bumper off last time because the inside metal structure was just 40 years old of crap and rust and stuff. All new clips are going in, all new headlight buckets are going in, everything's been cleaned and painted. So when it comes time to adjust everything, it should go slick. So we're gonna reassemble most of the back part of that tonight. With any luck, pop it on the car and see how it looks once the hood hinges are on and try to square things a little bit. Car's still going through body work right now, so we're kind of limited in what we can do. So hopefully this won't take very long.
No.
And we'll slam right out and head to the car show because
car show
night.
Car show night.
Woo!
Woohoo! It's a little bit of work here, and let's jump in the cars and go for a ride. It's a
let's get this done.
sunny, beautiful night here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Alright folks, cue the high-speed video, right? Here we are replacing the hood hinges without taking the hood off because, well, we're kind of crazy like that. Next we did some test fitting and decided the body guy can fix our mistakes, but it's close enough for tonight.
Good. Need to go this over there.
Fender's not on right either.
I'll just leave it till we get Richard.
That's what I would do. That's good. That's good here, right? Good here, there's a gap there, but like, I mean, that makes it, the fenders could be off. Alright guys, after a little bit of messing around, we got the two hinges in. They move much better because the other ones were C's and you could barely move the bit up and down. Keep in mind that the front end is not squared up yet, so we're more trying to get it flush and get it flush back here. Obviously this has to be body work being brought down. That's pretty close. This part here has to be addressed. But they work and we're happy, and it goes up and down without any people having to reef on it to make it go up and down. So good?
Yeah, no, I'm happy.
Go. Nice lines. Let's get at that nose piece.
What's wrong with
Yeah,
that?
nose piece next.
So as Jay mentioned earlier, we had the front nose cone or bumper totally apart, sanded all the pieces, painted it, and reassembled it with new hardware to hold the lights and the light bezels and all the other little bits. So the next trick here is to put it all back together. In comes the bumper with the metal bit and all the light buckets assembled. Rod's putting the that in, or well, Jay just took it from him. But they're gonna slide that in. Apparently we had it upside down. There's a metal strip that goes in to hold all this to the bumper and a couple other clips. I don't know, man. This thing is like 1,000 pieces to put it together. But we're just about done here, and next up we'll test fit it on the car.
That bracket may be loose. Yeah, there's a bolt that goes through them. But I'm okay with like as long as yeah, because they have to move it around, so you don't want to tighten it up.
No.
The whole thing needs to be sorted.
Let's get the bolts in there.
Alright, so all the hard work's done for tonight. You can see the bumpers on there. All the guys made hard work of that, or light work of that, or whatever you want to say. So now we're going to go to the car show, right?
We're going.
Let's go. I need a coffee. Here, a couple Broncos going to the show. Sweet! What side? Hey guys, this is Andrew's 1977 Ford Bronco sporting a 351 Windsor V8. It's mated to an NV3550 5-speed with a Dana 20 using an advanced adapter kit. It's a pretty sweet ride all in all. It's showing its age, but it works good and it always gets them home. And hey, that's what counts, isn't it? I always like talking to people about their cars, but I couldn't find the owner. I'm pretty sure this is a late 60s Riley Minor 1000. It definitely has a body kit on it, I think. Anyways, if anybody knows, send some comments in. But I love this car, and I wanted to just point it out. It was a highlight of the show for me.
time for a little cruise. We're driving in Corey's 1970 Monte Carlo he inherited from his dad. This is such a sweet ride. We intend to do a special video on this in the future, so keep your eyes peeled for that. As you can tell, our cars are not trailer queens. Yes, we love building them, but we also look forward to the days and nights that we get out to cruise around the beautiful city of Halifax. This is what it's all about. Alright guys, that's another car show wrapped up for the week. We're heading on home. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this public service announcement from our pal Rod.
Rod here from the Bad Gas Production Crew. Thanks for tuning in this week. We really appreciate it. If you like our channel, give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. And if you got anything to say, chuck one in the comment section below, because we like to see what you guys want to see. If you're a subscriber, make sure to hit that notify bell so you're notified of any Bad Gas Production new stuff. From me and the rest of the Bad Gas Production crew, we want to make sure you put some miles on those rides. Put some love in your builds, and the main thing of all is have a bad gas time doing it.